Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy. And here we have to tap on install apps from external sources. Sorry. Alright, so here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome. Not from the Play Store, but from Chrome, from my browser. So let's find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher next to it. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.